All right, Rye, what are we doing?
I'm gonna pull my tooth out while slamming the doorknob.
Oh, oh! Oh, it didn't work! Oh, no.
All right.
Okay, take two. Oh.
I know how to do it.
You don't?
Right.
Just push it.
Ready?
No. Huh? You don't have to. You don't have to.
Real quick, no,
You don't want it. Oh, it's already coming off. It's okay. It's okay. We don't have to do it then.
I want to.
You want to?
Okay. Stand back a little bit. Here, it's not on our tooth all the way.
Oh, and it won't work? Oh, it's already off. Let's just pull it.
Let's just twist it off. Okay, I'm kind of confused about how the door works.
We're
Because
supposed to be on the inside, but
Oh.
it's on the outside too.
So if she shuts it that way, it's not going to do anything, is it?
So we need to tie it on this one, right?